Yo guys, day 20, Canyons Resort. Got an inch overnight, super mellow day. Taking some cruiser runs, trying to find some leftover pal stashes. Today I want to say thank you. Thank you to everyone that's giving me love and support and come up to me and your kind words about these videos. It means a lot to me. I really do appreciate it. This is my passion. I love snowboarding. Everything about this just gives me so much joy, and I'm just an old washed up guy out here riding just for the love of riding. This is my thing. I love it. So thank you again from the bottom of my heart. Appreciate you guys saying those nice words and offering support and watching our videos. Keep it going though. Day 20 on snow. Let's go get some turns.